A chef doesn't redesign the menu every time a customer orders the same dish, so why is your team rebuilding the same report from scratch every single month? Clients remember how you communicate, how quickly you act, and whether you gave them the context to make their decisions easier. And if the reports you make are inconsistent, hard to read, or missing context, the best results in the world won't save the relationship. So in this video, we're taking you through a 6-step system to standardize your client reporting so your work finally gets the credit it deserves. Before you build anything, the first step is to align your objectives and key metrics. Every report should connect back to what the client actually cares about, not vanity metrics that look good in a deck, real business objectives, qualified leads, demo bookings, and cost per acquisition. Agree on these up front and make them the foundation of every report you send. The next step is knowing where your data is coming from and making sure everyone else does too. Create a shared reporting glossary, a simple document that maps every data source, UTM parameter, conversion, and attribution window used across your reports. It's the thing that stops numbers from shifting unexpectedly and keeps clients from wondering why something looks different from last month. Then build one template and use it everywhere. Clients don't want to relearn your format every month. They want to open the report and immediately know where to look. So lock down a structure, then stick to it. Executive summary at the top, key metrics table, what changed and why, and next steps. The consistency alone tells clients you're organized, professional, and on top of their account. Next, stop pulling the same numbers every week manually. Connect your dashboards and analytics tools so the data updates automatically. Set recurring tasks to pull numbers on a schedule. Attach checklists, set due dates, and send reports to clients automatically. The goal is to shift your team's time away from collecting data and toward actually analyzing it. When reports largely run themselves, your team can do the work that actually adds value, spotting trends, flagging risks, and making recommendations. Once that's done, check before it goes out. Before every report lands in a client's inbox, run through a simple quality assurance checklist. Verify the date window, check platform parity, and confirm attribution hasn't shifted. And keep a brief change log, a note at the bottom that explains anything that moved or changed since the last report. And finally, turn the system into a template you can roll out to every new client. Once you have a reporting process that works, document it. The report outline, the dashboard layout, the data mapping document, the QA checklist, all of it. Then every time you onboard a new client, you're not starting from zero, you're applying a proven recipe. Now, running a system like this across multiple clients, multiple data sources, and multiple team members is a lot to manage manually. That's where ClickUp comes in. ClickUp is the world's first converged AI workspace, and for agencies managing client reporting at scale, 3 things make a real difference. First, ClickUp custom fields. Build the metric structure your reports need directly into your workspace. Create fields for budget, target audience, and daily spend, and use formula fields to add calculations on top. Instead of hunting for data across tools at the end of the month, everything is already structured and waiting. Second is ClickUp automations. Replace every manual reminder and recurring task in your reporting workflow. Create a task to pull numbers each Monday, attach checklists, set due dates, notify the client lead on status changes, and even schedule reports to go out automatically. When reporting runs on autopilot, your team focuses on analysis, not admin. And third, ClickUp Brain, the context-aware AI assistant inside ClickUp Workspace. When you need to summarize performance, draft the what changed and why section, or pull together a client-ready narrative from raw data, Brain does it in seconds, right inside your workspace, with full context of everything already there. You get a report that actually builds the kind of trust that keeps clients around. Sign up for free today at ClickUp.com to make reporting faster, cleaner, and more impactful.